Okay, so today we're going to complete page 3 of the PDF that Mrs. Kajan has been sharing with you. Your assignment is to do all 14 problems, and I'm going to do some of them with you. Let's start with number 2. I'll go through and try to figure out which one's the hardest one and try to do those ones. Okay, so number 1 and 2 are both easy, but I'll do number 2. Number 2, so I'm going to do 4 times 1 because we know that there's a 1 here, which is 4. And when we're multiplying exponents, we know that we actually add them. So 9 plus 3 is 12. Okay. Let's do number 4, sorry. Negative 15 times 4 is what we're going to do first. So I'm going to multiply these two. Negative 15 times 4 is negative 60. Okay, and then the next thing we're going to do is we're going to look at our x exponents. So we have a 6 and a 5. 6 plus 5 is 11. Next exponent or next variable is y. So I'm going to add 4 and 4, which is 8. Okay. So let's look at number 6. When you're raised to the third power, it actually means 2x to the third, y to the fourth, times 2x to the third, y to the fourth, and 2x to the third, y to the fourth. So when it's raised to the third power, and then on the outside of the parentheses, it means you're going to write it that many times. So I'm going to do 2 times 2 times 2. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. I'm going to look at my variables. I'm going to add my exponents because I'm multiplying. So 3 plus 3 plus 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. 6 plus 3 is 9. Oh, let's try that again. Let's make that look like a 9. And y, 4 plus 4 plus 4. 4 plus 4 is 8. 8 plus 4 is 12. Okay. Let's do number 8. It's really similar to number 7. So we noticed up above, if I had just taken this 3 and multiplied here, 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 4 is 12. 9, 12. Okay, so, oops. Okay, so I have 4 times 3, which is 12. N to the fourth, so 4 times 4 is 16. Okay, because this is raised to the power, it's also raised to the power for down below. So I have 3 to the fourth. And then 9 times 4 is 36. Okay, so now we're going to reduce, which we really can't do a whole lot of, because you see that there's an M and an N up at the top, and there's a P down the bottom, so they can't reduce each other. But I can simplify the 3 to the fourth. Okay. Get out my trusty calculator. And 3 to the fourth power is 81. P to the 36. Okay, that's a 16 up here, and that's a 36 down here. Okay, let's look at the next row. We're going to do number 10. They're all pretty similar. So what I'm going to do is reduce my fraction. 18 divided by negative 6 is negative 3. Okay, There are no x's down below, so this x is going to stay at the top. Okay, now I'm going to look at my y's. When I divide exponents, I subtract them. So 6 minus 5 is 1. So I can write y to the 1, but I don't need to. So negative 3 xy. Okay, and let's do number 12. Okay, so I have 2x because nothing's being done to that, but I am going to multiply it by what's in the parentheses. Okay, so I need to do it raised to the third power first. So 2 to the third power is 8. And then x squared to the third power. So that means I'm going to do 3 times 2, which is 6. So x to the 6. Okay. Now I'm going to multiply them. 2 times 8 is 16. And then x. Now we're going to add our exponents. Remember, there is a 1 here. 6 plus 1 is 7. Okay, and that's it. So the rest of them are for you to complete. If you need any help or have any questions, let me know. Okay, have a good day. Bye.